Hi everyone, my name is Georgia and I'd like to welcome you to my YouTube channel. Actually, this is my second channel on YouTube. I already have another channel where I show people how to go about making money on YouTube and how to just make money on the internet itself. So I will put the link below if you'd like to check it out. But I didn't want to mix the two, so I created a beauty channel. On this channel, we will talk about everything beauty, weight loss, hair, nails, makeup, clothing, just anything fresh and fun. Okay? So for the first video, I would like to review with you my subscription of FabFitFun. I don't know if you've heard of this subscription-based website, but one day I was scrolling through Instagram, and that is how I found them. So they were saying how they have full-size products, and the pictures that I saw looked so interesting that I actually ordered a box. So I ordered my box in October, mid-October, thinking it was about to come. And when I didn't see it for a while, I reached out to the reps at FabFitFun, and they're saying, no, it's a seasonal box. Therefore, my box would not come until early December, and it would be the fall box. So I just had to wait. And now that it's here, after anxiously waiting, we're going to go through it and see what was sent. I must say that I really was anxious to get this. So let's open it and go through it. All right. So one of the first things that I pull out the box, of course, after removing the paper, is the pamphlet that usually come with it that tells you exactly, what the a little bit about the company, who the partners are, what are some of the items that are in some of the boxes. And I must say, they do look interesting. So that's the pamphlet. Then the next thing I put out of here is like a coupon to HelloFresh. Have you ever heard of HelloFresh? Yes, they are a supermarket that deliver straight to your door. You order online and they deliver to your door, and they have like little boxes. So here we have a $40 coupon of your first box from HelloFresh. Okay, sounds interesting, but I'll still go to the supermarket and pick up my items and cook it. All right, now it also comes with a card that tells me what's in my box. And then there's a note from us that says, at FabFitFun, we're all about bringing you the best of the best. That's why we're especially excited to introduce you to our latest edition, the editor's box, which is what I received. We handpicked each item with you in mind, filling this box with our top-rated brands and products, most beloved by our editors and members. It's one of our favorites, so we hope that you love it as much as we do. XOXO, the FabFitFun team. And in this box, I have a total of 9 items. So let's go through it one by one. All right, so the first item is called a mod cloth. And basically what this is, I already open it up a little bit. It's like a throw blanket that you could use either when you're just chilling on the sofa, or keep it in the car, or you could even take it into the office with you for those chilly days when you need a little bit more than the heater. And it's pretty big. It's 55 by 55 inches, and I have the one in black and white, and I think there's also one in tan and red. And let me see the fabric on this. So the company is called Mod Cloth, and the fabric on this is 100% acrylic. So there you have it. Now, the next item is a travel mug. Ooh, this is nice. And on the front it says, "Good morning, gorgeous." So this is a black travel mug with gold writing. It's plastic. And I know some, like if you're like me, you like to drink your hot liquids with a straw. So there's an opening here for a straw. However, it doesn't close, so you got to be careful. Don't fill it all the way to the top. So this I'm definitely going to use. I have hot cups, but I like to actually switch them up. So I'll be using that. The next item that I'm going to pull out of here is a coloring book and pencils, colored pencils. Okay, I don't know about this. This I may have to give up to my niece. Let me see. So it comes with a total of, I'm not going to open this, waste time opening this, right? But you got color pencils and you have a coloring book, basically a fashion coloring book. Let me read what it says. It says, FabFitFun coloring book and color pencils. Illustrate and meditate this fall. Research shows that coloring is therapeutic and can reduce stress and anxiety. Whether you stay in the lines or do your own thing, these illustrations are all yours to fill in. Reduces stress? I might just keep it. Okay, let me see some of the things. We could look at it together. The pineapple. Oh, you got a dream catcher. All right. Got stamps. Wow, that's a lot of coloring. Okay. You got a scene where, I don't know, maybe one of you could tell me what that is. Looks like someone is taking a nap. No, that's not what that is. Okay, let's move on. Ooh, look at these shoes. So this coloring book is not so bad. I don't know. I might keep it. I may give it to my niece. She might enjoy it. I don't know. All right. Next thing in this box is Lip Lock Priming Gloss Stain. So it is a lip gloss. Okay, let's see. I'm a brown girl. Let's see if this will work on me. Because when you do first do your box, you have this questionnaire where they ask you a ton of questions to help fit the box for you. So hopefully they listened and read my my bio and was able to, let me see. I had stuff on already. Let me see. Oh no, this may work, may not. I don't know. Can you see it? I don't know. I don't know. All right. Okay. The next thing is, ooh, this I could definitely use. It's a argan and hemp hair oil. Argan and hemp hair oil. And this is nice. I like the bottle. It's a glass bottle. It's a nice size. And let me read what it says. It says, ready for your locks to spring back into action. This magical oil leaves your tresses feeling silky smooth with a healthy, frizz-free, glossy shine. Of course, I will not be using them on these braids because I'm not going to waste something this good on this braid. Oh my God. This smells so good. This smells really, really good, guys. And it's from a brand called Marrakesh oil, argan and hemp oil therapy hairstyling elixir. You know what this reminds me of? It reminds me of the Aveda hair sheen that comes in the little blue pump. This smells really good. I'm definitely going to be using that. But like I said, not on these braids. These are only going to be in temporarily, so I'm not going to waste that good stuff on it. Okay. Next thing is the ORG Skincare Mineral Peel for the face. I think this is it. Yeah, ORG Skincare. It comes in a little tube like this. And it says Mineral Peel Face. What does this do? It's a smoother, softer, more radiant skin. Now that's what's appealing. This all-natural enzyme exfoliant with brightening agent extracts dermal debris and dead skin in seconds. Simply spray on, massage it off, and get ready to glow. And this item is valued at $44 because they put the price of each item right underneath the description. So this is valued at $44. And you have this tube that it comes in. And then as you open the tube, mineral peel face. Should I try it on my hand? Okay, I'm gonna put it on and then continue and then come back and see what it's like. So it says spray ample amount onto desired areas. Allow to absorb for approximately 3 seconds using your hand or minimally. This is fine writing, guys. I'm sorry. Using your hand or minimally abrasive washcloth, gently exfoliate in circular motion. Rinse with warm water. All right, so let me just try a little bit on here, the back of my hand. It's best to do it on your hand or another body part before you put it on your face. Okay, massage it in for 3 seconds. Okay, it's wet and it's already getting dry. So it's, yeah, you basically just rub it in. Actually feels good. Oh wow. Ooh, this feels really, really good. I'm sorry, guys. I can't get over how good this feels. All right. I'm going to leave it on there and see how it is. I may use this in the morning. All right. So that's that. Nice case. Next item that we have is... Things are falling off. Where is it? I'm sorry. I might be out of focus for a little bit. I'm trying to find the next item, because I actually took it out of its package. So this is a nice little necklace. This definitely won't fit me. I'll have to give this to my niece, I believe. Let me read what it says. On the front of it, it says Inspire with a little nameplate. And this item is valued at $65. And it's from Juke and Nona. It's a tag necklace. This necklace is made of 18 karat gold plated stainless steel engraved with words to live by. Whether you get love, happy, or inspire, or dream, this piece is sure to help you radiate positive energy while adding a simply chic touch to any outfit. This is really a cute little necklace, and I'm sure my niece would like wearing it. But this cannot fit me. It needs to be a little bit longer. I'm sorry. Oh, so that's that. Okay, so that was item number 7. So we have 2 more to go. All right, next item is this it? Yeah, from Anderson and Lily. It's a beach butter body cream. Beach butter body cream. And it's called Winter in Manhattan Beach. It says your skin needs a little extra TLC this season. Apply this rich hydrating body cream to your hands, feet, elbows, and other areas of your body that is prone to dry skin. And this is valued, sorry, I'm supposed to show you guys. This is valued at $24. Let me smell it. I'm putting so much stuff on. I still can't get over that mineral peel. Okay. Ooh, this smells nice. That's nice. That is nice. I think I took out too much. Let me just rub it in my hand. It's a body cream. Ooh. It smells good, guys, and it feels even better. It's really, really good. It's really good. Okay. So that's that. See, all these products in here I could actually use. That's what I like about this. All right. And then the last item is a nail polish. It's from Zoya. Zoya nail polish. Polish your daily look with a classic mani. We love Zoya because their lacquer is 5-free, vegan friendly, and safe for use during pregnancy. We've got to hand it to Zoya. They really nailed it. Haha, pun on words. Really nailed it. Yeah. Oh, and the box look a little rough. This item is valued at $10. The box, this is how the box came. Like, it was already open. Let's see. Let's see. Hopefully I like the color. Ooh, I actually like the color. This is, yeah, oh, there's nail polish already spilling out of it. Zoya. See, what color is this I received? It's called Rue. And it's like a neutral color for me. See, I can't even open this. First I have lotion on. And, okay. Alright. The nail polish on the outside is all dried up. Oh no, that's why. Look, the head of it is cracked. Oh, that's not cool. And they still packed it and sent it. Why would you do that? There it is. It just fell out. The cracked piece just fell out. Alright, let me try and seal this back. So if I'm still going to use it because it's not hard. It's a nice color. But then again, there's splinter in there. I wonder if I should reach out to them and let them know. Alright, I'll deal with that later. But there it is, guys. Those are all the items. And then the rest that's packed in is the bubble wrap and paper as a filler. So my overall impression of the FabFitFun Editor's Box, I honestly thought there would be more items in here. And but these are all items I could use. So I don't know. I might keep the subscription. I may not. But let's see how all these items work. So I got a ModCloth, a throw over, like a throw. I got a coffee mug, coloring book and pencils, a lip gloss, argan oil for my hair, mineral face peel, a necklace, body butter, and nail polish. That's quite a lot. So there's the review of the FabFitFun box. Just go on Instagram, scroll down, or Google them. You'll find them on the internet if you want to try a box. Like I said, it's $49.99 per season. I don't know from when you order your box, when you actually receive it. Like I said, I waited a good 2 months after I made the purchase. And but the box is here. So that's it. So guys, that is my review on the subscription-based FabFitFun box. Thank you for watching my video. My next video, I am going to talk about this here. These are Senegalese twists that I put in myself using the crochet method. I have the big chop. I did the big chop in June for the second time. And in waiting for my hair to grow, it's getting cold outside, so I can't wet my hair every day as much as I would like to. I'm trying to do low manipulation, so that's why I put these braids in. I've had them in for about a day or two, and in my next video what I'll do is I'll take out a couple in the front. I'm gonna shoot the video tomorrow. I'm gonna take out a couple in the front and put them back in so you'll see how it's done. And it's just an idea to give you something, some sort of protective style for your hair if you're interested. Okay, but thank you for watching my video, my first beauty video on this channel, and I hope you'll subscribe, like this video, subscribe, so and make sure that you click the little bell to get the notifications. That way you'll know when I upload my next video, and hopefully you guys like it. Let me know if you have the subscription for FabFitFun. How long have you had it, and do you really like it? And if you have any ideas of videos that you would like me to do, please just let me know. I am not a big makeup person. I am just learning. I mean, you know, just do what I can. But if there's things that you need me to review, just let me know and I'll do it if I can. Okay? Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.